In a decision that is already drawing global attention, the White House has unveiled a major expansion of US travel restrictions, tightening who can enter the country and from where. The new measures are set to begin on January 1st. President Donald Trump has approved an update to the US travel ban, adding 8 new entries to the list. The administration says the action is driven by national security concerns, pointing to long-standing problems in how some governments screen and verify travellers. According to the official proclamation, these weaknesses make it harder for US authorities to confirm whether visitors meet entry requirements and could be misused in ways that threaten public safety. Under the new rules, entry into the United States will be blocked for citizens of Burkina Faso, Mali, Niger, South Sudan, Syria, Laos, Sierra Leone. The restrictions also apply to people travelling with documents issued by the Palestinian Authority. Syria was included shortly after a deadly shooting in the country that killed 2 US soldiers and a civilian. The incident was blamed on a suspected Islamic State attacker. This decision came even as Washington has recently reopened contacts with Syria's new leadership, which took power last year after the fall of the previous government. The White House clarified that the updated ban does not apply to individuals who have already been granted asylum in the United States. This move follows an earlier announcement in June 2025, when travel limits were placed on nationals from 19 countries for similar security reasons. Since then, senior US officials have continued to argue for tougher border and entry controls. Recent statements from US leaders have linked the policy push to criminal cases involving foreign nationals, which they say highlight gaps in the current system. With the start date approaching, airlines, travelers, and governments are preparing for the impact of the new rules, as the expanded ban becomes another major chapter in America's evolving immigration and security policies. Although Nigeria is not affected by the ban, the inclusion of several African nations has sparked concern and discussion within the country. Nigeria has one of the largest African diasporas in the United States, with strong links in education, business, technology, healthcare, and culture. Any shift in US immigration or travel policy is therefore closely watched by Nigerian families, students, and professionals. Past US travel restrictions have shown that policies can change quickly, making Nigerians especially alert to new announcements from Washington. Many see the latest move as a reminder of how security